How to innovate. So the main thing that people do not understand is like how these big companies happen. Okay, so anything, people are making money because someone is feeling painful, or something is slower, or something is not working. That's the reason the companies, the people, they innovate things. Okay, so when they innovate, people get their problem solved. They become happy. So when you can solve something in other people's problems, then only you can make money. So making money is not a big thing. It's actually very easy when you know what is the pain in specific industry or specific niche. Then, for example, let's say when Uber came out, they saw that the taxi industry, it's very difficult to book a taxi. So Uber came with just technology. They don't own the cars, they don't own anything. Just they built a software, a technology, an app that you can just book it easily within 2 minutes. So that process solved a lot of millions of people's problems, and they are making me billions. So when you solve something, and it doesn't need to be in large scale, it can be applied to anything you can think of in your life, in your personal life, in your professional life. You can anything that you can think of, you can apply that. You can be innovative and try to solve it. And always think that if it is feels repetitive, if it is feels slower, and if it is giving you pain, so there must be something that doesn't exist now that will be in the future. So you can think like that, then only you'll be innovate the things. Innovators are not, innovations is not in just in the technology. It can be anywhere. It can be in everyday workout, it can be everyday food. So innovation is everywhere. So you just need to think about that, how we can make it faster, how I can make it less painful, how I can make it happy person. Like you just need to transform the people's experience. Okay, coffee was coffee was there a long time ago, like people were selling coffees. But when the Starbucks came, they tried to give some experience to people, and people liked it. People really liked it, and they are paying premium for the same kind of coffee, even better. Even the roadside people give better coffees. But when they come up with a solution, that people are really want to communicate, and they need a space, they want to have a coffee and have a chat with their friends, just have some moments and have some aesthetics. So they thought about it, they innovated about it, and came up with the ideas, and that transformed into a $1 billion company. So you do not need to innovate. There are a lot of innovations that are very small scale. So you can transform, you can apply these innovations, little innovations in your daily life, in your professional life. For example, if something is taking a lot of time, you can use AI. You can Excel. You can something, if it is if you do not know any function in Excel, you can just learn one time and apply it again and again. It saves you time. Okay, so that is how you know it. You Innovation can be everywhere. It can be at any scale. It can be small scale, it can be tiny, it can be big. So, but the thing is how you think about it, how you see the problems. Innovators always see the problems differently. So if you want to innovate something, you need to see the problems differently that exists today, and you want to make that problem into a solution in the future, and that people will love it, so then only people will readily give you money without even asking for it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share.